My Stihl HT101 pole saw has a problem with the fuel priming bulb pump not priming upright, but will prime with it on its side. So, I prime it on its side, started, and it dies right away. What should I look for?
Your problem is most likely that the diaphragms in the carburetor are bad and need replaced. But first you should look inside the gas tank to make sure that the fuel filter is still attached to the fuel line. It will not run or prime if the fuel filter is detached.
Thank you. I replaced the fuel lines and discovered the fuel tank pickup was off. Hooked it up, runs great now.
Thanks for letting me know. Please give me a good rating as this is the only way that this site pays me for my time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.